Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the third level spray arm on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The dishwasher's third level spray arm rotates and sprays water to clean the dishes in the uppermost rack. The third level spray arm is commonly replaced because it falls down and will not stay in place. If the spray arm won't stay in place, we recommend replacing both the spray arm and the retainer clip at the same time. Removal of the spray arm often results in the retainer clip breaking. If you need to purchase a new third level spray arm for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To begin, open the dishwasher door. Then, fully extend the third level rack. The rack is held in place by an end cap on either track. To remove it, flip the end caps to the open position. Lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Then, pull the rack forward until the second set of wheels align with the opening and lift it up and out to remove. Now, fully extend the middle rack. The middle rack is held in place by hooked retainers on the back of both track and mount assemblies. To remove the rack, lift it up on the front first, then pull it forward to release the tabs on the rack adjusters from the hooked retainers. The third level spray arm is attached to the water feed tube, which is held in place by a retaining clip on top of the dishwasher's housing. In order to remove the feed tube from the retainer, gently pry the metal tabs away from the bracket while pulling down. The spray arm is held in place by a small plastic clip. To remove, pry the clip using a flat-headed screwdriver while pulling firmly down on the spray arm. During the removal process, the clip is almost guaranteed to break, so we recommend purchasing a new one when replacing the spray arm. If you need to purchase a new third level spray arm, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the spray arm into the port on the water feed tube. Then, align the clip to the top of the tube and press until it snaps into place. Press the feed tube into the metal bracket and pinch the tabs together to ensure a secure fit. To reinstall the middle rack, insert the back while aligning the tabs on the rack adjusters to the hook retainers on the track assembly. Then, rotate the front in place, being sure that the tabs seat in the retainers. Extend both tracks, align the rack's rear set of wheels to the openings in the tracks, and set the wheels in place. Then, slide the rack back, align and insert the second set of wheels. Now, flip the end caps into the closed position, push the rack back into the dishwasher, and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.